once there was a melody that came from the depths of me.
Oppo will launch the Reno 3, Reno 3 Pro, and Reno 3 Pro 5G this month. The vanilla Reno 3 received TENAA certification last week, revealing its design and specs in the process. And now what's believed to be the Reno 3 Pro 5G has been certified by the Chinese authority. As per the TENAA listings, the Oppo Reno 3 Pro 5G will come with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus, 1080 into 2400 pixels, AMOLED display along with 20:9 aspect ratio. The images provided on the TENAA portal also shows a hole punch design and curved edges that both we saw on the official teasers in the recent past. The listings also show that the Oppo phone will be powered by an octa-core processor, clocked at 2.4 GHz. This is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G SoC that was launched at the Qualcomm Snapdragon Tech Summit in Maui, Hawaii last week. Alongside the new Snapdragon SoC, the Oppo Reno 3 Pro could have 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of onboard storage. It is unclear whether the phone also has a microSD card slot for storage expansion. In terms of the imaging capabilities, the Oppo Reno 3 Pro could come with a quad rear camera setup that will house a 48-megapixel primary sensor, coupled with a 13-megapixel secondary sensor. The TENAA listings also show 8-megapixel and 2-megapixel sensors that will be available alongside the primary and secondary sensors. Further, the phone could include a 32-megapixel selfie camera at the front. If we look at what has been revealed through its official teasers, there will be the Oppo Reno 3 and Oppo Reno 3 Pro as the two new smartphones in the Reno family. The latter will come as the flagship model with a slim build carrying thin bezels along with a curved design. However, the former would be a new mid-range smartphone by the Chinese company featuring a water drop style display notch.